Have you ever noticed how the world comes alive after a long winter? The days get longer, the sun feels warmer, and there's a buzz of excitement in the air. Well, for us artists, spring is a time of inspiration. With everything seems to burst with new life, and the daisy flower is a perfect symbol of that. Hi, my name is Sanya. Welcome to my channel. Today we are celebrating the arrival of spring with a very special guest, the beautiful Daisy. The real magic starts here. With each stroke of the brush, a white petal unfolds. Imagine these petals as delicate diyas, each one holding the promise of light and hope. And then, a burst of sunshine. The vibrant yellow center takes form, like a miniature sun warming the canvas. It's the heart of the daisy, full of warmth and happiness. Just like throwing gulal during Holi, we are adding splashes of color to announce the arrival of new season. These white flowers with their bright yellow centers are like tiny bursts of sunshine. They seem to pop everywhere, carpeting fields and peeking out from cracks in the sidewalk. They are a reminder that even in the smallest places, beauty can bloom. In Indian culture, we have the festival of Holi, which also celebrates the arrival of spring. The vibrant colors and joyous spirit of Holi perfectly reflect the energy of this season. And just like those vibrant colors, daisies come in a variety of colors too, not just white. Did you know that? So whether you are an artist or not, I encourage you to take a moment to appreciate the magic of spring. Look for those little daisies popping up. Feel the warmth of the sun on your skin and let the fresh air fill your lungs. Spring is a time for renewal, creativity and joy. And there it is, a vibrant daisy in all its glory, a symbol of hope, renewal, and simple beauty that surrounds us in spring. Thank you for joining me on this artistic journey. Until next time, let the colors of spring inspire you.